Alright, go ahead. There's not a whole lot of light, but get some of it. Here's Caden getting ready to watch himself on TV. That was so cute, Caden. Did you like watching yourself? Hmm? Alright, time to go to bed.